So recently all the hype has been about the new iPhones, the iPhone 8 and of course the upcoming iPhone 10 and then various other devices that have launched recently. But of course there are many Samsung fans starting to imagine what the S9 might look like in the current landscape of smartphones. So I did what I could by teaming up with concept creator to build a concept of the next S9 and S9 Plus from Samsung. Now, I've done this in the past. I did this for the iPhone 8 where him and I teamed up previously and we came up with a kind of a radical redesign, if you will. You should go check out that video if you haven't yet. It was kind of like my dream iPhone 8. It was more angular. It was just different. Now, he and I came together to do something similar for the Galaxy S9, if that's even what it ends up being called. And we really wanted to make sure that it was going to be something different. So we decided to go with a modular design, the S9 and S9 Plus modular. Now, of course, you've seen modular devices from other manufacturers, probably the most popular being Motorola, Moto, with the Moto mods. So the whole goal here was to imagine what an S9 with modular functionality might look like. And of course, we went ahead and improved the camera, the screen to body ratio, and various other aspects that you will see in the clip that I'll be showing you in a moment. Now, the key thing to remember here is that this is a concept. It is not officially authorized by Samsung in any way. The purpose of it is to get your wheels turning about what the ultimate S9 and S9 Plus might look like. So I do want you to get involved as well. Make sure to leave a comment down below with your perfect specifications, the features that are most important to you, what you think the next generation Galaxy S device should look like. Now, one more thing before I unveil this beautiful concept video, make sure you go and check out, subscribe to Concept Creator on YouTube, and who knows, maybe some of the stuff we drum up actually ends up in physical devices, so make sure you go support him as well. All right, that's enough. I've blabbered on for too long. Jack, please go ahead and roll the clip. This episode of Unbox Therapy has been brought to you by Honey, the browser extension for Chrome, Safari, and Firefox that helps you save money when you're shopping online. Now, this is a very easy thing to add to your web browser. It's really one click, and then what it does is scan the websites you're accessing for current coupon codes so you can save money when you never even knew there was a deal happening. So let's say, for example, I'm on bestbuy.com. So when I click on the Honey extension up here, it'll bring up all of the various coupon codes that are available on Best Buy right now. But it's not just Best Buy. There are plenty of sites supported, everything from GameStop to Target, Walmart, Kohl's, Home Depot, Lowe's, and probably my favorite functionality is on Amazon. And from within here, you can see the historical price of an item. So you can see if it's actually a deal or not. Maybe it was cheaper a few days before, even though it looks like a sale. You know, you've seen this before where it's like $100 off, but it's like, is it always $100 off? It'll go a step further where it will allow you to set up what's called a drop. So if you're waiting for a price drop, you can add this to your list and you'll get a notification letting you know that it's time to buy. All right, so there's plenty of people using Honey already, around 5 million members. So you're missing out by not joining. Simply head over to joinhoney.com/unboxtherapy. I'll put the link at the top of the description and you'll be surprised. You're probably overpaying for some things, and just that price drop feature alone on Amazon is worth it to me. Free extension through the link in the description. Once again, joinhoney.com/unboxtherapy.